Hi, this video is about logarithms and carbon dating. So we're going to shoot a squirrel and show you how to carbon date it.
No animals were harmed in the making of this film. Except one. Squirrel!
Nice. It's dead.
With a little manipulation, the function c to the f equals c to the o times e to the negative kt power can now be simplified to c to the f equals c to the o times 1/2 times e over 5700. Then, given the estimated percentage of the original amount of c to the 14th power left in an organism, its age can be approximated.
Why do you have dinosaur eggs?
Where are we going?
Well, did you hear the little thing go click?
Yeah.
That meant it started.
Okay.
And then
Carbon.
that's why it started.
Carbon dating.
Did you remember when you heard the
Dating with carbon.
Yeah.
Are
Is
you
that
dating
my
carbon?
phone?
Carbon 14.
I'm expecting a text.
Okay, I'm trying to. Are we doing this?
No.
Right? Okay. Carbon
No.
dating is a technique used by scientists to date fossils. It relies on the principle that carbon-14 isotope of carbon decays. This is also called radioactive decay into another isotope of carbon-12 at a rate proportional to its mass. This means that it has a constant relative rate of decay. The same equation is used for this situation as for continuous compounding and population growth. With situations involving decay, the rate of growth is always negative. And the half-life of a substance is the amount of time it takes for half of that substance to decay. It is only a property of substances that decay at a rate proportional to their mass. Through research, scientists have agreed that the half-life of carbon-14 is approximately 5,700 years. And, let's see, the decay constant K.
Oh my god!
For carbon-14 can be calculated using the half-life. Using the constant relative rate of decay function, we say that the remaining amount of carbon-14, c to the f, equals c to 0 e to the negative kt power.
Oh my god!
K
Oh my god!
is negative because c to the f
Oh my god!
decreases as t
Oh my god!
increases. It increases. It increases. It increases.
Say, oh my god. I'm just joking, please don't.
Okay, we're using that one, I don't care.
I liked it. Okay, this is the starting formula. Then you go to this, and you take the natural log of both sides, and you get that. And then this is the ending problem.
Hey pal, want some Skittles?
Share the rainbow. Taste the rainbow.